Drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. 390 V8 power underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. That front bumper looks good. Headlight surrounds, grille. Rangoon red J paint code. Black vinyl interior for the trim, number 76. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the engine bay, trunk, interior, top up, top down. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Check out the Ford wheel covers. Radial tires. Technician did note tires are showing their age. Also made a note that the brakes are like new, front and rear. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Paint has a nice shine to it. Yeah, there's some spots where there's been a little touch up. If you can see that even, I mean, it's a small spot. But there's a few imperfections here and there. Maybe a nick or a little bit of a scratch. But overall, you can see paint has a nice shine to it. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Fender skirts. Vinyl bench seat up front. Seat belts intact, front and rear. 390 does have an EFI system on it. Actually a sniper, and that's the controller that you see down there on the transmission hump, if you will. And we're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see parade boot or convertible top cover. Fits nicely. I'll show you the top going up and down to it as a power top, and we'll check out the condition of that here in just a bit. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Also looks like it's a nice shape. Dual exhaust. Kind of a spot like I was talking about where there's a little imperfection here. I don't know if you can see it. There's just a little bit of a ding there. And again, some of these are tough to get to show up in the videos and the pictures because it's not like they're real big, but I want to kind of make you aware. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Galaxies, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. If you make it see us in person, hey, we always like that. A couple other notes on this I wanted to note from the technicians in the service department. There is a hairline crack on the driver's side block, a little bit of seepage from the oil pan. Jason's going to drive the car, show you it goes down the road. We've driven it, had it running. Like I said, it'll drive out, find something that's going to need attention in the future. Consigner this vehicle decided to price it accordingly and wanted us to make that announcement. So that is how we're representing this vehicle. Just want to make you aware of that. Door panel looks good. Interior, you notice the piping was a little bit loose right over here in an area, but I didn't really notice any rips, tears, holes, anything like that in the vinyl. All right, let's go ahead. All right, I'm going to turn the key on. Fuel pressure is going to come up. You can hear the fuel pump. This generator light is on, but vehicle's charging. Battery is getting charged. There are gauges that you can see on the sniper control unit. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So no need to pump the gas, anything like that. Just let fuel pressure come up, turn the key. A little spot on the dash there. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. good sounding 390. Let me slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second because I do want to show you the engine bay. So we're going to take a peek at the engine bay. I'll get the tripod set up. We'll check out the convertible top function and condition of it. And then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. 390 V8 power, and again, Holley Sniper EFI system, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and get this tripod set up. Let's check out this convertible top. And the top up. So you can see power top function works fine. Got it latched above the windshield there, nice and tight. Then I did roll up the side windows too, so you can see how the glass fits. Not bad. Black vinyl. It shows its age in a few spots. And there is a spot where the rear window is separated back here a little bit, but I'm assuming this top stays down more than it's up for some summer fun. Around to the passenger side, again, side glass rolled up. Decent fit there. Really no rips, tears, or holes in the top portion of it. Back around above the windshield. All right, that gives you an idea of the condition of the top, and you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures also. Speaking of still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out all of those. The number to call, 507-386-1726. I will show you the top functioning going back down. Jason will be driving it after that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. We do have the top up today. This is an automatic on the column, equipped with Sniper EFI. Over here we have a screen sitting in the ashtray, giving us all the vitals. Get your air-fuel ratio, battery voltage, a lot of choices on there. The speedometer is working. Our generator light is lit. The fuel gauge is reading on empty. The coolant gauge is reading cold. It has not run a long time, I'll tell you that much. The wipers work. The blower motor also works. Just cracking the dash here. Not a bad looking interior for the most part. Otherwise, our vinyl bench seat, very stock appearing and comfortable. I have not tested the radio. We just turn that on, we'll let it warm up a little bit. Road manners are pretty good. The steering wheel's clocked a little bit to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Brakes are pulling slightly to the right. Now this car is somewhat of a project in the way that it's sold, but it's running nice, it's driving nice. That Sniper EFI helps a lot. Idles well, accelerates well. Do not hear the radio. Do a little bit of TLC on this car, and it'll be a great cruiser with the top down in the summer. Bring the whole family along. 1964 Galaxie 500 in red. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.